Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Muli, this is Boss Crips of Midnight Crips and welcome to Midnight Tarots. Yun. Yun. So today, tingnan natin ang magiging kapalaran ng mga Aquarius this October 2021. And dati, we have 21 cards here, 7 topics, and here, this is the question in each card. Yan, habang tinitingnan yung mga questions, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe, and please don't skip ads kahit, pero kung mahaba na po, more than a minute, okay lang kahit skip nyo na, pero yung mga 30 seconds, please, ibalato nyo na po sa akin. Salamat po, and yun nga po, dahil October na ngayon, naanyayahan ko po ang lahat na pwede kayong mag-send sa akin ng inyong mga horror stories na naranasan, mga kwentong nakakatakot, mga karanasan nyo hindi maipaliwanag. Just send it on our Facebook page, Midnight Creeps, or on my Gmail. Ang mga link ay nasa description ng video na to. Yun lang po, salamat. And so, start tayo sa reading. Yan. Nakita nyo na yung mga questions and simulan natin sa inyong family. Yan. So, these are your cards. The Ten of Wands, the Temperance, and the Ten of Swords reverse. Okay, as I see, na have patience kasi nasa gitna ka pa ng daan mo. Maging pasensyoso. Pahabain yung pasensya. At yun, stay calm all the time even though you're suffering. May dala kang mabigat na burden. Mabigat-bigat to na parang even though may dala kang burden, you still pushing yourself up like this one na nasa Ten of Swords na even though you're at the worst time, you're still looking up. Yan sa family nyo ha. Na even though nasa worst kayo right now, but always look up and have hope. Kasi nga yan, nasa gitna pa lang kayo ng daan. Yan, sa family nyo yan. Magkaroon lang kayo ng patience, be calm. Even though may mga problema, may mga mabibigat na pasaning. But deep inside you, can, or someone in your family na kayang dalhin to. At always looking up, even though at worst times. Yan, these are cards for your family. Next one is for your career. Okay, so these are your cards. The Hierophant reverse, the Queen of Wands, and the Strength. Okay? Yan. As I see na sa inyong work, talagang Aquarius kayo na or sa inyong career. Because you have the Hierophant reverse, being rebellious or being pagkakaroon ng kakaibang taliwas sa normal na pananaw na even though ganun yung rebellious or di naman siya exactly rebellious, but I think may concept ka sa utak mo or mga takbong project sa isip mo na hindi usual sa inyong career, but I think na maganda yung idea mo na yun nga, you have the determination or passion sa inyong work na kaya mo mag-lead ng ibang tao. You can nurture them. You have that power and the strength to do that will. Yan. So, I see na you were leading sa inyo or ikaw yun nanghunguna or may hawak ka mga tao sa inyong career. Okay, continue tayo. This one is for your friends or lover, pwedeng sa kaibigan or sa inyong jowa, asawa, or kalibin ka or sino man partner nyo. Yan. And these are your cards. The Ace of Swords reverse, the Three of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles reverse. As I see na medyo this time sa inyong friends or sa inyong lover na you have conflicts. Mostly in misunderstandings or sa mga mental mental problems. Kumbaga, hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan, hindi kayo nagkakaunawaan. Yan. And even though you want expansion in your relationship, you want to level it up, or some point gusto mo makipag-teamwork sa inyong partner or sa inyong kaibigan. And but I think she is, or I think kung this is about her or him na being selfish, masyadong self-centered. Lahat ng nangyayari sa paligid niya is nakafocus lang sa kanya, para sa kanya, at walang iba kundi sa kanya lang. Yan. So, yan siguro yung nagiging problema nyo, na isa nagiging selfish. And most of you is, yun yan, nagiging attached in sex. Yan. Pwede rin sa iba sa inyo, as I see here, na may problem about third party sa isang tao na pumasok sa buhay niya na medyo nagbe-bring ng pleasure of the flesh sa inyo. Yan. So these are your cards for your friends or your lover. This one is for your most desires this month. Yeah. So these are your cards for your most desires. Medyo malalaki pa siya, kaya nahihirapan pa akong hawakan. Yan, your cards are the Nine of Swords, Reverse King of Wands, and the Hermit. Okay, as I see here, na medyo stress ka yung month, kaya you want this to go away. Masyado kang, kumbaga, na-stress, na-anxious. May mga gabing hindi ka makatulog, and even some of you have nightmares at night. Because of someone na, yan, the King of Wands reverse is flirty one. Kumbaga, kung sa father-like figure, yes, sumakbilang bahay. Kumbaga ganun. Kasi marami siyang girls. And selfish siya. Yan, pwedeng tao to sa buhay nyo, or nangyayari sa buhay nyo to ngayon na you're lacking out of this. And yan, masyado siyang ginagamit niya yung power niya to manipulate. That you want, ito I think this is your most desires, the Hermit reverse, na you want to run away from your life from now. Parang gusto mo muna magpahinga, take a break, go away muna. Kalimutan mo na itong mga stress na to. Yan. So, these are your cards for your most desires. The next one is the unexpected. Mga bagay na hindi mo inaasahang mangyayari, or tao, or bigla natin sa buhay mo, like that. So these are your cards. The Death, the Four of Pentacles reverse, and the Four of Wands. Okay? As the Death, may something na mag-end sa buhay nyo, mostly pwedeng relationship, work, projects, or something like that. But it's not really the end, di ba? As I said before, na ang death is not scared one. Mas matakot kayo sa the Tower, because that is only end of a cycle. But at the end ng cycle, new one will come. As you see, there's a baby, even though it's for the reversal, but still it's on the picture that the death is only an ending, mostly a painful ending in some of you. Na yan nga, kasi you feel so happy. Yan, as I see here, the Four of Wands. Pwede may celebration or happiness, or pwedeng sa bahay to, na yun nga, happening na medyo maging masaya ka. As you see here, the Four of Pentacles, masaya siya. So, sobrang saya niya. He don't care much at all sa pera niya. Parang, gastos na lang ng gastos. Not thinking sa outcome, but hindi iniisip ko ano yung cost. Yan. And dahil pa after nito, magiging anxious naman siya sa pera niya. Magiging greedy siya dahil yun nga, mahirapan siya mag-share or i-hold yung, masyado siya magiging obsessive sa kanyang pera. So yun, I think na someone is ending. I think this is on your career, pwedeng ganon. Or in your financial. Dahil, yun, nasobrahan ka sa saya. That's the unexpected na, yun, matutong magtipid, huwag masyadong gastos ng gastos. Yan. Kasi, the end is, something is ending in your life. So, di natin masasabi kung ano yan. Yeah, be prepared. Mostly, I think, this is connected on your financial state. Okay. Next one. This is your influence for this month. So, these are your cards. The Wheel of Fortune reverse, the Four of Wands reverse, and the Ace of Pentacles. As I see, makaka-influence sa'yo this month is about your career or something na bagong investment or bagong opportunity around you. But, yan. Diyan tatakbo yung buwan mo ngayon. Ngayong October. But, yun. Do not exert so much effort in it. Maglaan ka pa rin ng sleep as I see here na naka-reverse yung Four of Swords na you are forcefully rest. Napilitan niyo magpahinga kasi you're burnout. You're kumbaga mentally overloaded dahil sa projects na to. And yun, so binabalaan ka ng card ito na yun, take a rest para hindi siya mangyari. As you see here na bandage as a sick man lying kasi nga na overwork siya, na over fatigue. And yun, mag-ingat po kasi this month will be you will run out of luck as the Wheel of Fortune is reversed. Means iswerte nyo is hindi ganun kalakas yung buwan kahit sa anong path nyo daanin pagdating sa career, sa relationship, sa gambling. Mas lalo sa gambling, I think hindi ka swerte ngayong buwan, so iwas-iwas muna tayo dyan. Yan, kasi may Wheel of Fortune tayo sa ating influence. So, mag-ingat po. But, still, there's a new opportunity. Hopefully, even though may Wheel of Fortune tayo dito, maging good sana to na maiwasan natin tong pagkakasakit or over fatigue or mentally overloaded. Na, yun, mahalaga pa rin magpahinga. Yan. So, these are your cards for your influence. And lastly, for your luck. These are your cards for your luck. Yeah, so these are your cards. The Eight of Swords reverse, the Emperor reverse, and the Knight of Swords. Okay, I see here na you're lucky kasi you will free yourself from your self-bondage or sa mga bagay na nagkukulong sa'yo, like mga paniniwala or mga maling turo sa inyo. You will realize more in your life. Even though yun yan kasi nga, as I see here, nilabas natin kanina, may dumating sa inyong reverse Wheel of Fortune. You have no luck, but you're lucky kasi others will have control for you. The Emperor reverse says that an outside force or outside help will come to you kasi nga, you are not lucky for this month. But yun, may mga kasama ka siguro sa bahay or someone will come to you like this one. The Knight of Swords, someone will come in your life that will bring joy and fire in your life. Kumbaga, dadating siya, sobrang bilis na parang matatangay ka niya even though you're caring about luck. But sobrang lakas ng dating niya, sobrang lakas ng gust ng lakas ng hangin. As you see, he's riding a Pegasus, a winged horse. Ayun, yung dating niya, sobrang lakas, mahangin. Na even your luck, your bad luck will be wiped away pag kasama mo siya or sa kanya ka nakinig. And so these are all your cards for month of October, mga Aquarius. Hopefully makatulong to at maging gabay nyo for this month. Huwag kalimutan muli mag-like, share, comment, share, and subscribe. And please don't skip ads. Muli, this is Boss Crips of Midnight Crips. Hanggang susunod na misteryo. Signing out.